Welcome to London Kids Academy.
A is for air, blowing cool and free. B is for bee, buzzing near the tree. C is for cloud, floating in the sky. D is for dew, sparkling where leaves lie. E is for earth, strong and round. F is for flower, growing from the ground. G is for grass, soft and green. H is for hill, a peaceful scene. I is for ice, cold and clear. J is for jungle, full of cheer. K is for kite, flying with the breeze. L is for leaf, dancing on the trees. M is for moon, glowing in the night. N is for nest, tucked out of sight. O is for ocean, white and blue. P is for petal with a lovely hue. Q is for quail, walking through the grass. R is for rain, falling in a splash. S is for sun, shining up high. T is for tree, reaching for the sky. U is for umbrella,